Early jawed fish possessed scales which were composed of both dermal and epidermal elements. There were two layers of dermal bone, the basal layer being vascular, a layer of dentin, also produced by the dermis, and then finally a superficial layer of enamel produced by the epidermis. In sarcopterygian fish, both fossil forms and in lungfish, these layers were retained because the dentin layer was thick and the enamel layer was thin. This scale type was given the name cosmoid before it was recognized that the tissue in question was actually dentin. Early fossil amphibians and even fossil reptiles could retain ancestral fish scales, especially on their undersides. Primitive actinopterygians, or ray-fin fish, modified the ancestral scale type and lost the dentin layer so that their ganoid scales were composed of dermal bone, two layers with the basal layer being vascular, and a thick layer of enamel. And this type of scale is retained in the primitive actinopterygians alive today, such as sturgeon and gar, which possess these white scales, white because of the enamel, which are large and interlocking and which do not grow after production. This scale type is only present in the primitive ray-fin fishes, not the more advanced teleos which compose most modern fish.